Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered why mathematics is so important in the world of software engineering? Let me know in the comments. In this video, we'll explore the crucial role that math plays in shaping the software we use every day. One of the foundational aspects of software engineering is algorithm design. Algorithms are the step-by-step instructions that computers follow to solve problems. But how does math fit into this? Well, math provides us with the tools to create and analyze algorithms. Concepts like calculus and discrete mathematics help us understand how to optimize algorithms, making them faster and more efficient. Imagine a search algorithm that needs to quickly find results from a vast database. Math helps us design algorithms that achieve this efficiently. Data structures, another core aspect of software engineering, determine how data is stored, organized, and accessed. Mathematical concepts guide us in choosing the right data structures for various tasks. Think of it like arranging books on a shelf. Math helps us decide the most efficient way to store and retrieve information. Now, when it comes to writing code, logic is key. And guess what? Logic has its roots in mathematics. Boolean algebra, which deals with true and false values, is the foundation of computer logic. It's what enables our programs to make decisions based on conditions and loops. As our digital world expands, so does the need for security. Cryptography, the science of secure communication, relies heavily on mathematical principles. Encryption, decryption, and ensuring data security all involve intricate mathematical operations. Check out my video on cryptography using Excel. Links in the description. Now, let's talk about the exciting world of machine learning and artificial intelligence. These fields are empowered by math. From linear algebra for working with vectors and matrices to calculus for optimizing complex models, math helps us teach computers to learn and adapt. Whether you're creating video games or simulation software, math is the backbone of graphics and visualization. Concepts like geometry and trigonometry enable us to manipulate objects in 2 and 3D space, bringing digital worlds to life. And let's not forget about optimization. Math guides us in writing code that runs efficiently and consumes fewer resources. This is crucial for delivering high-performance software, whether it's a mobile app or a complex system. So, as you can see, mathematics isn't just numbers and equations. It's the foundation of software engineering, shaping the code, algorithms, and systems that power our digital age. Embracing math in your journey as a software engineer can unlock a world of possibilities, allowing you to create innovative solutions that shape the future. As always, thanks for watching.